Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best dog steps for beds that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the best pet supplies pet steps. Of course, we had to make sure that something was included just for the miniature mutt which might have captured your heart. This set of doggy stairs from Best Pet Supplies is fantastic for smaller and middle dogs and even has 5 steps in the biggest option. Height of the biggest option is enough for all standard beds, and it can support your large dog, but steps doesn't wide enough for the largest dogs. The polyester cover comes in a wide variety of colors as well, and most of them definitely fall into a cute look. If it's cute you crave for your dog, then these steps will have you covered. Best Pet Supplies Pet Steps. The slipcover is removable for easy cleaning, and designed with anti-slip coating, to make sure that your furry friend is in the safe when he's climbing on the bed. If you've got a small or medium dog or 3 in the house, there's hardly a better option and these steps are an absolute bargain. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Premier Pet Steps Tall Raised Panel Dog Steps. Looking for something a little bit fancy? These steps exude class and aesthetics, and if your bed and dog are the right size for them, you're looking at some of the best looking dog steps you'll be able to find anywhere. This isn't just a thin veneer either. If you take a closer look at these steps, you'll be pleased to note that they're made of solid red oak and the carpet is luxurious enough you'll be jealous of your dog's foot pads. The steps will support over 300 pounds as well, while the steps themselves are quite low and good enough for even dogs that might be suffering from hip dysplasia, arthritis, or any other condition which affects their mobility. If just having steps isn't good enough for you, and you want only the very best for your pet's weary feet, then Premier has you covered. This is the luxury option, and the price reflects it, but they're also the fanciest dog steps you're like to find anywhere. At number 3, we have the Pet Gear Pet Ramp. Pet Gear also makes these great pet ramps. Some dogs end up with issues that will prevent them from even climbing stairs comfortably, and something like this will ease the burden off their furry backs. These ones are for the truly large canines, with load-bearing capacity measured in the hundreds of pounds. Even a mastiff that looks like it could chew on a black bear for fun will be safe if you opt to use this ramp. And it can be a great option for a household with small and large dogs as well, since everyone will be able to easily climb it. It's pretty big for the most part, though. It stands 26 inches tall and measures 56 inches in length. While not prohibitively large, you'll definitely want to make sure that you have the room for this whopper, and if you don't, why not make it? Your dog will definitely appreciate it. For those large canines that some of us love, this dog ramp takes the cake. No assembly, lightweight, and ultra sturdy, it can help to ease the burden of climbing from your favorite pet with poundage. At number 2, we have the Pet Gear Easy Step 2 Pet Stairs. The Pet Gear Easy Step 2 shares most of the same features as its bigger brother, but it's a little bit more manageable in size if you aren't sleeping in a higher bed. Basically, instead of 3 steps, it has 2. It assembles easily and makes for a durable, high-quality set of doggy steps which will allow for a greater amount of mobility with your dog. Both of them also share the feature of having rubber stoppers on the bottom, which can help keep the steps from sliding even if your boisterous hound decides to take a running leap onto them. Safety first, and if you have hardwood floors you don't need to worry about any scratching. The steps themselves are 22.5 tall, which is good for almost any normal bed that you might own, but you'll want to bring out the measuring tape before you purchase it. Just in case. The steps have a bit of an incline, allowing them to reach their peak more quickly than a flat set of steps. This makes them even more compact than doggy stairs usually are. If you're looking for a pair of steps to allow for your dog to get on and off the bed despite whatever issues they may have, you're in good paws with the Pet Gear Easy Step 2 Dog Steps. And finally, at number 1, we have the Zinus Step Comfort Pet Stairs. Got a high bed and a little dog? These doggy steps are probably the solution that you're looking for. They stand at 22 inches high, which means it should be suitable for most beds, allowing your pet access to that most important of resources, a soft sleeping area. The cover are easily removed from the ladder in order to clean them, just in case your mutt makes a mess of them. You'll find that they're quite durable and sure to last a long time as well, making the price a great bargain. Some people have found that they last for years. Add in a tool-free assembly and we're talking about some serious convenience. The Zinus step comes in 5 different size variations, so you'll be able to easily find something which is great for your pet. One thing's for doggone sure. These are the dog steps for a high bed, whether your animal is suffering the rigors of old age or just isn't quite tall enough to get up and share some snuggle time with you. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.